plow has turned around and hangs o'er the western tower. But the fireflies assail the gloom of golden bower. The lonely moonlight peeps and bellows of long gate will shed more sorrow on the dweller desolate, as the laurel bower where green remembers on the far golden walls the dust of autumn clean. The night holds a mirror bright as your sky to show the fair